Where's the coin slot? Under here. Who do we get? Oh, we got Agumon. Agumon's still good. Can you see him in there? Sleeping. That's a good grab. Fuck! I moved it further away. Oh, it started playing music. That was terrible. That was so bad. At least I got it closer. At the very least. Can't see it properly. Maybe there. Nice. Oh. Come on, man. Oh, it's too weak. Last try. The claw's too weak at the moment, I think. Like there. Maybe. Bring it back a bit. Okay, go. Oh, okay. We're done. What the fuck? Yo! Did you see this? Oh, they got even more. Yo, there's an aquarium outside that you have to pay to get into. We got the aquarium right here for free, boys. Free aquarium. Why pay money to get an aquarium ticket when you can just go to a pet shop? And you got a free aquarium right here. Yo. I really... You know how sometimes you just want things to go wrong? I just want him to like freak out and start flying around the shop and attacking everyone. It'd be so funny. Really cute dog. Can you see it? Can you see the statue? Oh. There's a white bald guy. It's my brother. Yo, brother, come back. Oh, he's going to the toilet. Okay, never mind. baby castella. Fruit sweet. What was that? Chocolate banana. Choco banana. Damn. They got like giant fried chicken. Oh shoot. Oh snap. Oh god. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. All the fried meat. Oh shit. What's this? Roasted chestnuts. Hokkori. They got takoyaki and stuff. They got beer as well. They got halal kebab. Turkish ice cream. Kebab don. Damn. They got hot dogs. Oh man. Dango. Fried chicken. Okonomiyaki. Oh, they got cheesesteak. Oh snap. They misspelled chili con carne. They spelled chili con carne. Chili con carne. It's chili con carne. Rocket chicken. Original fried chicken. You never know until you try. God, this place smells so good. What's going on here? They got curry. They got roast beef. Oh shit. Oh, it's a monkey. It's like a monkey dressed up. Yo, monkey. The monkey looks mad. The monkey looks like... Well, obviously he doesn't want to be here. Oh, they got Mino beer over here. Oh, Mino beer. Ooh. Cheers. That hits the spot. Yeah, this company's good. Sponsored by Mino Beer. Taste the rainbow. Everyone looking at whiteboard guys sitting alone. Good. They're looking at me because I'm cool. This place is pretty cool though. This is a good place to come with some bros. All these stools around here. You got monkey show, you got some steps to sit on. Beer and food in very close proximity. Big open area, it's very nice. Whew. We got a spot back. Some chips and a beer. You can't beat that. One last look at the Tower of the Sun. There it is.